Suppose I want to lock someone's internet at night, what should I do? With tplink router there is a way to do that. First you need to log into the router management page. Navigate to the access control function in the left menu. Next, you need to determine the start time and the end time for blocking the internet. You need to note that the time on the router must match the time where you live. Next you find the physical address of the device you need to block the internet. You can find it at DHCP. Finally, we create internet blocking rules for this device. As you can see, the internet has been completely blocked. You can do the same with other devices such as smartphones, tablets, televisions, etc. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.